In this video we'll show you how to install the docking station of the iMOW robotic mower in a few easy steps. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. Place the docking station on a level surface at the edge of the mowing area, ensuring that the base plate is not curved in any way. To connect the docking station, remove the hood and then fold open the cover. Unwind the charging cable and place the cable reel next to the station. Now guide the plug through the opening at the rear of the docking station and simply slide the cable upwards through the opening. Now pass the charging cable through the cable holder and then insert the plug in the socket. As the last step, secure the base plate of the docking station in all corners with the 4 ground pegs. Your docking station is now firmly secured and ideally positioned for charging your iMOW robotic mower.